Hi, I've prepared a new lesson on decorating Easter cookies. This class is great even if you're just getting started, and it will help you understand the basic principles of working with royal icing. Don't worry if you're new to this, we'll go through everything step by step. You can find the full version of the lesson using the link in the description below the video. In this lesson, you'll get all the essentials, a recipe and step-by-step instructions for making a fragrant cookie dough that holds its shape beautifully after baking, as well as a royal icing recipe. I walk you through exactly how to make the icing, how to adjust the consistency, and which textures to use at different stages of decorating. Everything is explained clearly so you can easily follow along, even if this is your first time working with royal icing. Along with the lesson, you'll receive STL files for printing cookie cutters on a 3D printer, as well as printable paper templates. If you have a 3D printer, you can easily print the cutters yourself. If not, simply use the paper templates to cut the cookie shapes from the dough. Both options work perfectly, so just choose the one that's most convenient for you. I show you how to create beautiful shades using just a small set of food coloring, and how to mix basic colors to build a harmonious color palette for your cookie decorating. In this lesson, we'll also make edible moss and turn it into a decorative topping for cookies. This is a simple technique that adds a lot of texture to your design. In this lesson, you'll learn how to make royal icing transfers and how to use them in cookie decorating. Together, we'll go through and create 6 different cookie designs. They're quite simple, so even beginners will be able to recreate them. Many of these designs are also fun to try together with kids. Most of the cookies are decorated using the wet-on-wet technique, one of the most basic and beginner-friendly techniques to start learning cookie decorating. Once you understand this method, many other designs become much easier to create. I hope this lesson inspires you to try cookie decorating yourself. And now, let's take a look at a few moments from the decorating process.